Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Life with Sammy. It's Sammy here. So sorry for talking on the tripod just then. I've just received today, I'm so excited I have to film it right now, or else I was gonna fucking rip this box open. I finally have my 17 Your Choice albums. This is a long time coming, as what you've seen on my channel. It's been a long time coming. But it's finally here. They're here. Yay. Alrighty. So let's go. Let's unbox them. I can't wait any longer. Alrighty. So I've just opened the box. Let's open him up. Ooh, there it is. Alrighty, so I think we should have, the folded posters on top. So put those to the side for a second. Figure out who's inside the folded posters. But yes, there's my albums. Oh, we yeet the box. Yay! There's all my albums. Let's see the book that I tried covering the thing with. Alrighty. Oh, so exciting! Here we go. Oh, they're so pretty. Alright, so we've got my Your Choice album. So I've got the versions. I don't know how you can tell between each version. Oh, here they go. There's the other side, the one side, and this side. Here we go. Yes. Alrighty. So the next clip will. Alright, let's jump to unwrapping them. I'll unwrap them and come back. Alrighty, so here's all three versions unwrapped. So let's start with the first one here. Alright. Is it just a slide? Yeah, it is. Awesome. It wants to come off. There we go. Alright, so it looks a little bit like their first album, 17 Carat, which is kind of cool. Oh, I don't know. Oh, okay, so track list. So we've got the track list here. Let's bring it a bit closer. Here we go. So I love every song on this album, but I have like a really soft spot for I loved Ready to Love. That was an amazing title track, and as well as the MV was so good. I have a really soft spot for Game Boy, and I don't even want to talk about the staging for anyone. It was too beautiful. Alright, I'm really nervous for this. Alright, so there's a CD, there's the thingy. How do I tell what's in... Who we got? Oh, I saw my... I just saw my... Oh, I just got spoiled. I just got spoiled who it was, but let's... Alright, I've already seen the PC. And I've already seen this. And I've seen that. Oh wow, I've just been spoiled. Alright, so... I think... Oh, okay, I got the Wano, Vernon, Dino, and Jongin one. Alrighty, so I got this one of my bias line. Oh, cute. Ah, there's another one. There's another thing. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, this man, there's a reason why this man is my dice wrecker. There's a fucking reason. Oh, Wano, he looks fucking beautiful. DK and Jongin. Dino boy. I'm sorry, but Dino, it's my friend's bias, but that photo is fucking unfair. Why? Just why? Alrighty, so that's the photo book. Here's the CD. Oh, it's so pretty. I pretty much already got spoiled by like the bits. Alright, so I'm really excited we at least pulled one of my collecting lines. So we pulled Mr. Vernon. Yay. We pulled this. If my thing wants to show it properly. You can see it properly here. There we go. And it's like they're all one. There's the Cody thing. Okay, so we pulled Jongin and Wano. No, I think I'm right. I don't know if I'm right. I'll put the name here if I'm wrong. Oh, we pulled the 8. Oh, meow. Oh, hello, mister. There's a problem because I think he's definitely one of my bias wreckers. So I don't know if I'm going to keep him or not. I don't know if he's gonna keep a permanent home for me on my, like, see, in my binder right now I have a random page of all, like, album stuff of different members for albums, and which is kind of an issue because I'm supposed to be only collecting 2 members, but, like, you know, I have a spot for too many members. Alrighty, we'll go to the next one. Alrighty, so we've got the next version, which is the B-side version. I'm not sure if I'm bringing these in order or not. Let's try and not get bamboozled this time. Let's feel around. Let's put them to the side and not get teased this time. Is there anything else? Alright. Okay, so who did we pull for this photo book? Okay, Wano, Mingyu, and June. Oh, nice. Oh, pretty. Oh, this is this version. Okay. Oh, look at him. They some Mingyu. They some handsome men. Some really handsome men. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. This album is just so pretty in general. It's just a pretty album. It's not fair. Alright. I did flip them. I did flip them this time, so we're not going to get spoiled. Alright. So we've got the big postcard. We've got one. No, Mingyu? I'll put it up here if I put it wrong. Oh, is that the same member? Is that the same member? I think that's DK and I think that's someone else. Or are they both DK? I could be dead wrong here. Oh, at least we got a different one of this though. That's exciting. Who did we pull? Oh, it's June! Hi, June. No, not yet. Those are the same. Alright. So far we've pulled one bias line at least, or like one collecting line. So that's one good thing. But, you know, we'll see. Yeah. Alrighty, so we'll go on to the next one. Alrighty, so I got the last one here. This is the one-side version. Alrighty, so this is a lyric book. Let's flip everything over. Alright. Alright, so, oh, this lovely pink. Yay! I pulled a woozy one. Yay! This is Jongin, DK, Seokwan, Woozy, and Joshua. Oh, just a mixture of all. Like, oh. He's so cute. He's so adorable. Look at him. Oh, Jongin. Him during the Raider Love MV, we're not even going to mention him. How he jumped onto my bias record list. We're not going to talk about how he jumped. Decay. Oh, oh. Alright, alrighty, my baby's pages. Look at him. He's so precious. Look at him. His little yellow cardigan. Oh, he's so pretty. So pretty. Oh. Then we got Joshua. have too many words for this boy, Mr. Joshua. Look at him. Oh. I got the black. Oh. Oh. Hello. Oh. Oh, hello. So fun, my goodness. No, he's too precious. Oh, it's just gonna be Sammy sobbing for like 5 minutes. I don't know. Oh, I'm so glad I got the photo book for this version. Yay. Alrighty, let's see my pulls. Alrighty, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, we got Mr. Jin again. We got Jin again. Alright, that's a random bookmark. Let's save that for a second. Ooh. Okay, good. So we got all 3 versions of this. Yay, exciting. That's the Weverse card. So you know on my channel already how much like I have Scoops cards because I just don't have words for 17. I'm so scared for this. Joshi! I'm this close to collecting OT 13 for this set. I love all the flower cards. So yeah, we pulled for the PCs. We pulled Dune, Hoshi, and D8. Nice. Nice. So we'll go on to the posters. Alrighty, so the posters, I got 3 unfolded posters with this album set for this group order. So I think I picked for this to have the rap unit, the group, and the vocal unit. That's it. Because seeing as both of my collecting line are in both of those units, so I wanted to get those ones. But let's see. Ooh. Yep, she gonna be the rap unit. Yay. Alright, so we got the rap unit. This is not gonna fit in camera. Yay, rap unit. Yeah, you can't see the heads. There we go, rap unit. Oh, there's the OT 13 set. And then, yay, she did give me all my choices. Yay, I see my Woodsy. I see Woodsy. There he is. Yay, she gave me all my choices. Yes. Alrighty, exciting. Alright, so that's it. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. It's a bit of a mess, but, you know, it's all good. Alrighty, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.